This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta. I'm down here at our Jackson, Georgia location, and I'm bringing you a brand new Peterbilt 567 day cab. It's 220-inch wheelbase, set back front axle. It's a 20,000-pound front axle with 18,000-pound leaf springs. It's got 315 22.5 tires on the front with air disc brakes. Got a 90-gallon fuel tank over here, polished depth tank cover, dual-sided cab exhaust. Got your air and electrical connections for your trailer set back from the cab so you got room for a headache rack. It's got 46,000-pound rears, air track rear suspension, 11R 22.5 drive tires, locking differentials, stainless steel mud flap hangers, Peterbilt mud flaps. Has drum brakes on the drive axles. And over on this side, we've got a split fuel tank. You got 75 gallons of fuel and a 35-gallon hydraulic capacity. Stainless visor, chrome mirror covers, chrome front bumper with your heavy-duty toe pin. Got your fog lights in the bumper. Two stainless steel roof-mounted air horns. And let's take a look underneath the hood. Under the hood, we've got our Cummins X15. This is 565 horse, 1850 torque. And in behind that, we've got our Eaton 18-speed automated transmission. Battery jump start studs underneath the hood. Take a look inside. Inside, we've got platinum interior. Got air ride vinyl seats. Extra dash gauges, AM/FM radio with Bluetooth. Got your CB radio mounting brackets and wiring up there on the header. Multi-function steering wheel. Plenty of electrical switches for strobe lights and spares. We have 4 of these units on the yard and ready to go. So if you need one, give me a call. 706-372-4698.